Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename your default master branch to main in GitHub. This is a straightforward process that helps you align with modern naming conventions used across the development community. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and account settings. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the specific repository where you want to change the default branch from master to main. This will open up that repository's main page where you can view all its contents and settings. Once you're inside the repository, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll find several tabs here, and what you need to click on is Settings. This tab is your gateway to all the configuration options for this particular repository, including branch management. After clicking Settings, you'll need to scroll down through the various options until you locate the section labeled Default Branch. This is where GitHub lets you manage which branch serves as the primary branch for your repository. The default branch is important because it's the base branch for pull requests and the first branch people see when they visit your repository. In the default branch section, you'll notice a Rename Branch button, which typically looks like a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will allow you to modify the name of your current default branch. A text field will appear showing your current branch name. Remove the old branch name completely, then type in main as your new branch name. Once you've entered the new name, click the Rename Branch button to confirm the change. GitHub will process this request and update your repository accordingly. This might take just a moment, so be patient while the system applies the changes across your repository. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your default master branch to main in GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.